This tutorial is intended for owners of original FinGears rings. Cheap copies have a poor glide and are unsuitable for all the tricks described. Enjoy the ride! In the figure 8 trick, we use our index and ring fingers. Put rings on those fingers. Put rings together, the other fingers are kept free. Magnetize the third ring onto the other 2 rings. Place your thumb underneath the active ring. With an upward movement of your thumb, give momentum to the ring. With the middle finger, push the active ring inward for another movement with the thumb. Increase speed as the mechanics of the rotation improve. Faster! Faster still! Accelerate to the top. In the next trick, called magnetic splits, you only use the index finger. Put a ring on your index finger. The rest of the rings are free, magnetized in pyramid form. With your middle finger and ring finger, rotate the rings through 90 degrees, so that the thumb can sit on the junction of the 2 free rings. By pressing with the thumb, we separate the 2 loose rings, giving them an impulse to rotate. Next trick, pocket twist. Rings are magnetized in a chain, in a single line. Take the rings so the 2 rings are clasped together with 3 fingers of the hand. The little finger, the ring finger, and the middle finger. Use your index finger and thumb to rotate the 3rd ring. The next trick is called the kick roll. We only use the middle finger to place the rings. We put the rings in a pyramid. We use our thumb and ring finger to spin the rings. Hold the ring with the thumb, creating resistance to the ring under the ring finger. Use your ring finger to push the ring in a counterclockwise direction. The axis blade trick uses only the middle finger as an axis of rotation. Put the rings in a pyramid. With the thumb, you separate the loose rings. With a simultaneous push with the thumb of 1 free ring and ring finger of the 2nd free ring, start rotation of the rings in an orbit around the fixed ring on the middle finger. In the stack trick, use the index finger to place the rings. Put on the rings, magnetized in the form of a pyramid. Turn rings 45 degrees counterclockwise. Turn the rings through with your thumb, so that the loose ring is threaded onto your index finger. With the 3rd ring, repeat the maneuver. All 3 rings end up on the index finger. Magellan trick. Now you use the index finger and ring finger. Put the rings on those fingers. Put the rings together. 3rd ring is magnetized to the other 2 rings. With the thumb, we pick up the loose ring, thus giving it momentum to rotate around the other 2 rings. The ring should return to its original position.
Hi, my name is Denis Akrimenko. I am CEO and founder of FinGears Magnetic Rings. Improve your obtain knowledge with practice, share your experience with friends, empower your brain. Visit our website fingears.com, follow our updates and choose the original, patented FinGears Magnetic Rings.